Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Gdevelop on your device. So what you're going to do is go to gdevelop.io and you're going to click on try it. After clicking on try it, you're going to see an interface where you either launch the web app or you can download to your device. So select any of the icons there that's your device. I think the first one is for Windows. The second is for Mac, Linux, like that. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to focus on downloading the setup for Windows because I use a Windows system. So I'm going to click on Windows, and after that, it's going to download the setup. If you look to the top right of my window, you can see that the setup is being downloaded. After downloading the setup, you can now go ahead to install. So by now it must have launched. So you click on next. So now we're here, you can click on install. Click on finish.
And that is how you install Gdevelop. Follow, like, subscribe and share with someone who needs this.